Traveler! Yay! Katerina the Traveler. Katerina the Traveler.
Hiyo ni nini?
Smartwatch.
Unajua je ni smartwatch?
Sababu ni smart.
Aje sasa?
Si ati iko na WhatsApp. Iko na WhatsApp hadi Facebook.
Mpaka Facebook iko na? Nini haina?
Hakuna.
So that makes it a smartwatch.
Yes. It is like a phone.
Oh yeah. Haya, sikia kai inaimba. Inaimba. So pia nyinyi mtie biti, si ndio? Haya. Oh yeah. So hi guys, this is Katerina the Traveler.
My name is Dennis Karaoke. My name is Maikangure. My name is Victor Mindoli.
So I'm here. These all of them actually. All of them. They are my cousins, and anytime when I'm in the village, I like doing videos with them because they are amazing boys, and I always encourage them. Wasome na bidii. Even apart from kusoma na bidii, of course, they should trust in God. That's why you can see. What were we doing before?
You were playing the rosary.
Me and who?
And us.
Oh yeah, all of us. Yeah, we were praying the rosary because I would like them to become men. Kuna mwenye anataka kuwa priest?
Please. No.
Why?
Okay, no.
Scare you. Hamtaki kuwa priest?
Yes.
Okay, but you should be priest in your homes, okay?
Yes.
So if you want to get married, it's okay. Getting married is okay, but you can be a priest in your own house, in your own families. That's so what I was saying is that we were praying the rosary and also praying for other people who are suffering in the world, and that is what we always do when I'm here. Sindio?
Yes.
Na mulianza kuomba peke yenu? Kwa nini? Kwa nini? Na niliwaambia mkwe mnaomba, si ile time tu niko.
Hatuko tunajua.
Dini ya rosary si shosho ana to lead. Sinia utu lead.
Yes.
So hata lakini karaoke niona ukiomba. But si rosary prayer. Na hizo prayers zingine
tunajua. Mimi najua kuomba ya kizungu.
Ya kizungu? Hiyo ni poa. Yenye mtu anajua naomba, si ndio? So that you can become men of God, si ndio? I know I'm a woman advising men, but sinajua bro who advise pia. Cause nataka mkwe wanaume wazuri. Tukipatana huko mnaniambia cousin hi. Unaona vile God ametufanyia kitu poa, si ndio? So guys, that's them. So I'd like we visit the village where we are in the village actually, but I would like us to show you the fruits that we have in the
village.
Yes, sawa. Tuanze na gani?
Popo.
Iko? Oh, sawa. Haya, twende hapo. Nani atatuelezea about popo? Mwenye anatuelezea. So guys, this is a popo. Okay, I don't know, for them they are calling it popo, but for me I call it pau pau. Mimi na nini? Mimi na hivyo ndivyo sisi tulisoma tukiambiwa. Tuna shoot na yeye. Try shoot. No ramoita. Asa. Karahau. So guys, I'm saying for us during our times we used to call it pau pau, but for them they are calling it
Popo.
Popo. Nikaa nasomea group of school. Sawa. Mwenye anaenda pale najua anachuna ile because we need to blend it. Shosho ameagree. Haya. Tuende to explain about popo. So guys, I was saying the best part about village, you'll have any fruit that you want, like this one. This is a very beautiful fruit, popo. Panda juu. When was your first time kuona popo?
I saw it in our garden.
In your garden? Yes. And you?
In the market.
In the market. And you? Market. Okay. So what's the best thing about popo?
Oh, it is a fruit.
It's a fruit?
Yes.
Okay. Now guys, let me tell you something about popo also. When you have kukaukiwa na choo inaitanga aje?
Constipation.
Yes, good boy. Sema tena.
Constipation.
Guys, you see, our boys are sharp. When you have constipation, you can take popo. That one. Once you take popo, utaenda choo vizuri sana. Your constipation is going to end. What else? What are the other benefits of nini popo?
It is a fiber.
It has fiber.
Yes.
Oh yeah, hiyo inasaidia pia kuenda choo poa. Haya sawa, tuchune hiyo. Na uchune pole pole, ukichuna vibaya. Nice. Haya, hebu ishike tuone. Tuonyeshe guys. Guys, you can see this is what you are having in the village. And there are many. Look at them. Ni mob sana. Ni mob sana. So this is a popo and you are going to imeiva?
Yes.
Ama maybe shosho atatupea ingine ya kublend. Sawa. Haya, endea basin. Tuende nayo. Nice. Haya, shuka.
Umenya ndugatoya ngari.
This is also another fruit. Here. What's the name of this in English? You don't know the name? Me too, I don't know the name. Let me show you so that you can tell us the name on the comment section. Here we call this
Biriganya.
Biri what?
Biriganya.
Biriganya. So this is what we call biriganya. It's good with what? With inapeanga mtu nini? Damu. Oh, hii ni poa na damu. Blood. So it adds more blood. It's like a beetroot, sindio?
Yes.
Okay, but they are not ripe, so we cannot show you the real biriganya. What happens inside? I have ever eaten this. So inside there is some red fruits.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes.
Kuna zingine za ziko ripe? Wapi? Oh, I'm being told there are some which are ripe. So this is how we do our clothing. Tunaanika kama hauna peg, unaanika tu sasa. So they're telling me this is a house. Oh, kuna hizi. But hakuna yenye iko ripe.
Zimekulwa.
Zimekulwa. Zimekulwa. Okay, haina shida basi. Okay, so ni fruit gani nyingine? Sugarcane.
Ile pale hadi.
Gani?
Ile pale.
Oh yeah, kuna sugarcane pale. Basi tuende tuonyeshane za ziko na huko.
Sawa.
Now let's go guys. Let's go. Tell them to subscribe.
Boga.
Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Kuna boga.
Gani Kariki hata amekuja. Kariki kuja.
Boga ni nini?
Huyu ni anajua the name of this fruit in English. Unitamia inaitwa aje?
Tomato.
Tomato. Tree.
Yes.
Tree tomato.
Yes.
Tumpigie makofi. Wakiwa la antivero. Tree tomato. Eni. Okay, sawa tuko tumemaliza huko. Twende kwa sugarcane?
Yes.
Okay, let's go guys.
Tunaoneshana ng'ombe.
Ng'ombe
si fruit na. Sio ni sisemi.
I love the argument. They're arguing. Ng'ombe si fruits. Okay.
Yeah.
So, miwa, kuna zingine ziko hapa hivi.
Ndio.
Kuna hii inakaa poa lakini vile nauma na meno. Siwezi kula. Hii inakaa fit. This is sugar cane. Okay, mtu akuja hapa tuelezea importance of sugar cane. Nani atatuelezea? Hamjui?
Tunajua but hakuna mtu.
Hakuna mtu anataka kuelezea the importance of sugar cane? Kariki si tuelezee?
Elezea kidogo.
Why should you take a sugar cane?
It makes our teeth strong.
Our teeth strong.
Yes.
Like me vile naumwa na nini? Na hii meno.
Yes.
Let me show you guys. Tukiwa na Kariki hapa. Naumwa na hii meno. This one. Hii.
Hiyo.
Endo
netwaje. Fanyiwe surgery na meno.
Surgery. Ya meno. Si painful.
Sio pensi, unaoshwa.
Unaoshwa?
Inawekwa maziwa ingine.
Ushaifanyiwa? Nani alifanyiwa?
Kuko mtu ni coach kwa TV tu.
Ukaona mtu akifanyiwa hivyo? Wow. So it makes your teeth
strong.
It makes your teeth strong. So I think I need to take sugarcane to make my teeth strong.
Yes.
I think in December we have been up and down. We have been taking meat. So I think that's why nini yangu inauma. Okay, what else?
Avocado.
It's a source of employment.
Source of employment.
Yes.
Oh. Kuna watu wanafanyanga hii biashara by the way.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. So tuende kwa
avocado.
Avocado. Okay, sawa tuende.
Hi guys. Let's go to avocado. Let's go, man.
My life is made easier by these boys.
And this one. Avocado. Like eat avocado.
Kwani ziko wapi? Kore. Kesho. Wow, inakaa poa. Kati hizi zenye ziko za chini.
Zenye zimeanguka.
Zile zimeanguka.
Simameni hapo kila mtu aseme importance ya avocado. Sema.
Is a source of food.
It's a source of food.
Creates income.
Creates income. Karibu unataka kuwa mwanabiashara? Wewe unasaidia kuwa mwanabiashara. You're good. You'll be good in business when you grow up. And you?
He create to drink juice.
Juice, it's a fruit.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes.
So.
And you come out.
So, what's one thing unajua yenye shosho ashaiwafanyia after umechukua avocado yake? Mshichukua avocado ya shosho? Alafu?
Kutuchapa.
Kuchapa?
Alikuwa ametuna na anatutemea mate.
Kututusi.
Alafu, did you feel bad about it?
Yes.
And we regretted about our actions.
Oh yeah, did you go and seek forgiveness?
Yes.
What did you tell her?
To forgive us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa. So hii ndio mti. Mtu atuelezea hii ndio mti wa avocado. I want you guys to know how I do my work. This is an avocado tree. Mutirukwara. So guys, here in Africa, this is an avocado tree. It's quite big. Mtu mmoja apande tuone vile mtu upanda. Gure, you are good in that.
Yeah.
It's very good in that. So what happens? Na uchunge usianguke.
So ni munene. So gira koroga de noro.
This is how we climb the avocado tree or any other tree.
Yeah.
What? Nini wanafanya? Hey, ebu shuka. We, ebu shuka. Teremka brother. Wewe.
Lola.
Hapana, naweza vunjika.
Anajua kulikana.
Okay. African boys. Haya, ni fruit gani nyingine sasa tumebakisha?
Banana.
These are the banana trees. Sinaitanga hivyo?
Yes.
So these are the banana trees. So we are going to show you a real banana down there. So let's move. So far, mnaona hiyo content aje?
Nzuri.
Iko poa?
Hiyo iko poa.
Iko poa ya?
Inachapisha. Inachapa rada.
This is a banana, guys. I think you can see up there. You can see a banana.
Yes, I can see.
What's the importance of banana?
He takes us calcium.
Calcium here.
It is a source of food.
It's a source of food.
It gives us fiber.
Fiber. Nice. Abu jipigeni makofi.
There's so much more waiting for us out there. There's so much to explore. so many places.
Wagakuini totonya thĩinĩ mwana ndanyitagwo na njara ya motho nyitagwo nayo rĩa tonya thĩinĩ
Wega kenge.
Places we've been dreaming, all the faces we've been seeing.
Okay. Kidogo kidogo. Happy New Year! Yay! Thank you so much guys for taking your time to consume my content. I love you so much. As we start new year of 2024, I wish you all the best, and I promise and I pray to God that He's going to help me so that I can do more and more content.
The places we've been dreaming, all the faces we've been seeing, all the people we
Make sure that you subscribe. Bye.
Katrina
got to read all the trouble.